Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to fix the Gradle Sync Failed error when creating a new project in Android Studio. This tutorial is very easy to understand and suitable for beginners. Gradle Sync errors can be very frustrating and waste a lot of time, but by the end of this video you'll learn how to download Gradle manually and fix the issue permanently. Quick overview. In this video, we'll create a new project, identify the Gradle version causing the error, download the correct Gradle version from the official site, set it up manually in Android Studio, and then successfully rebuild the project. Now let's get started. First, open Android Studio and create a new project. This is where the main problem usually appears. As you can see, we get a Gradle Sync Failed error, shown in red. If you look closely at the error message, you'll find the Gradle version that Android Studio is trying to download, but fails to do so. In my case, the required Gradle version is Gradle 8.13. Now, minimize Android Studio and open your browser. In the search bar, type Gradle 8.13 download and press Enter. Once the page loads, click on the first link, which is the official Gradle website. When the site opens, scroll down until you find the exact Gradle version required by Android Studio. Let's confirm again. Yes, it's Gradle 8.13. Now click on Binary Only to start the download. After the download finishes, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Here's the Gradle 8.13 file. Double-click it to open it, then extract the folder. I'll drag the extracted Gradle folder to my desktop for easy access, but you can place it anywhere you prefer. Now, go back to Android Studio. On the top left side, click the menu icon, then scroll down and open Settings. In the Settings search bar, type Gradle and click on it when it appears. Here, change the Gradle distribution option from wrapper to local installation. Click the folder icon, navigate to where you extracted the Gradle folder, select it and click Select Folder. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now resync or rebuild your project. As you can see, Android Studio is now building the project successfully, and the Gradle Sync error is gone. And that's how you fix the Gradle Sync Failed error in Android Studio by installing Gradle manually. This method is very reliable, especially when Android Studio fails to download Gradle automatically due to network issues or version conflicts. Anytime you see a Gradle sync error, always check the required Gradle version. Download it from the official Gradle website and set it as a local installation. This will save you time and prevent repeated sync failures in future projects. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. If you have questions or want more Android Studio tutorials, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.